you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Stingray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seating, panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7521.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.